In this video, I'd like to talk to you about removing as many fields from your WooCommerce checkout form as possible to help improve sales. My name is Neil Matthews and I'm a WooCommerce developer. I think you should remove as many WooCommerce fields from your checkout as possible to reduce what I call checkout friction. So whenever a user or a customer bumps up against a form or a field that they have to fill in, that induces a friction which can in turn cause abandoned carts. So what I'm saying is get rid of as many fields as you can and you'll find a smoother, faster checkout process. Let me give you an example of checkout friction. I'm filling in a form, I've added things to my cart, I'm checking out, I'm filling in the form, and I've come to a field that's asking for my phone number and it's a required field. That's an immediate red light to me. It's saying the salespeople at that company are going to phone me and bother me and try to upsell me with stuff I don't need. That's introduced friction in the checkout process to me. If that shop had got rid of the phone field or made it not required, then perhaps we could check out more easily. I'm going to show you a demo of my site. I sell access to live events on my WooCommerce store and recordings of those live events. And they're digital products, so I don't need a lot of shipping information. I don't need addresses, I don't need company names or anything like that. So I pared down my checkout to the absolute minimum number of fields in the hope that it will improve checkouts or the number of checkouts. So let's have a look at one of my live events. I've added that cart, view cart, and then if I proceed to check out, what you can see is I've removed nearly everything. All I need is first name, last name, and email address to complete the checkout. Those minimum number of fields stop cart abandonment and speed up the checkout process. I'm in test mode at the minute, but obviously I type in my credit card number, click on place order, and that will be me checked out. Let me jump to the back end of my site and I'll show you how I've done that. I've got a plugin installed on my site called Code Snippets, and this allows me to paste in little bits of code to change the look and feel or the functionality of my WooCommerce store. It's a really useful plugin and it's good for people who aren't developers to edit their site if people present with a code snippet. I've got a video explaining exactly how to use the Code Snippet plugin. I'll link that in the comments below this one. But if we edit this particular snippet, what I'm doing is I'm filtering the WooCommerce checkout fields and I'm running this function which then unsets various fields. When you unset a field, it just removes it from the checkout form. So I'm getting rid of billing company, address, city, postcode, country, state, and phone number. I'll send you a link to this page, but this is the WooCommerce tutorial on how to customize your site. But I'm just showing you this to show you that there's loads of fields that we don't necessarily need. So a lot of those billing fields I've already unset. If you sell a physical product, perhaps you don't need a company shipping name. Perhaps you don't need the phone number as well. Because I sell digital products and access to live events, I've disabled shipping altogether, so that's not required at all. So, if you want to reduce checkout friction, I seriously recommend you look into removing as many unwanted checkout fields as you can. If you are interested in checking out my live events or a recording of my live events, there's a link in the comments below where you can get a coupon to get a free sample of one of my live events that has been previously recorded. So click through, leave your email address, and you can grab that coupon. I look forward to seeing you in one of my live events soon.